Alright, so we're at California Avenue. Today I'm going to work on replacing this subfloor where it's rotted. And I'd like to get the tub installed, the subfloor put back in, and then I'm start with more drywall work. First thing, I get that drywall lift out of the way. And that's a pain because it doesn't fit in there very well. It's a small bathroom. I know it's kind of dark in here, but I got the subfloor in, got the tub installed. I used roofing nails around just to hook it to the studs. And then there's a tab that you bend back in the back of it. And I nailed that down to one of the studs.